Yeah, I know. I tell you, we still got some rain, a wet evening, wet nights, and a wet Saturday morning. We'll make up for it Saturday afternoon and Sunday. So weekend not going to be a complete washout, but I do want to let you know we still have that flood watch that goes in for good reason, by the way. Bedford, Seymour, Columbus, Greensburg, Bloomington until 2 p.m. We've got several rivers under flood warning, including the East Fork of the White River down through Seymour and Bedford. We've had some reports out of Orange and Washington counties of some roads covered. I suspect that will continue because the rain continues down there, and it's going to come down at a pretty decent clip from time to time. We've got, and I'll show you our WeatherBug site down in Seymour in just a moment, but right along 50 and cutting across 65 is where we've had some of the heavier pockets of rain. And in fact, we're pushing almost 2.5 inches at Seymour High School. In Bedford, almost 1.75 inches. So we suspect probably at least, I don't know, another 3/4 to an inch of rain before this wraps up here down to the south. And now we've got some fog issues to worry about. 3/4 of a mile in Peru, half-mile visibility in Crawfordsville. So fog is going to be a problem as well, as we've got the relatively warm air still over the cold ground from the recent snow melt. 46 Kokomo, 52 Indianapolis, 54 in Seymour, and 47 in Richmond. Temperatures aren't going to budge too much, but the rain buckets will go up a little bit, and this is what we're expecting before this wraps up. Maybe another 3/4 of an inch of rainfall in the city of Indianapolis on top of the 1/4 inch we're expecting this evening. Steady rain this evening tonight, heavy at times into Saturday morning, diminishing by midday Saturday. And trust me, this time tomorrow, a nice bright finish. And that's how we're going to get the weekend rolling heading into Sunday. 52 right now here in the city. We'll be down to about 47 when you wake up tomorrow morning with areas of heavy rain. Start your Saturday out with the rain and the cloud cover. Should taper off to some sprinkles and spotty showers by noontime. And then once the batch of rain moves out, we'll see a decrease in cloud cover heading into tomorrow afternoon, and that's going to set us up for a nice finish here. In fact, temperatures may approach 60 degrees by this time tomorrow. What about the rest of the weekend? Looks really nice. We think near 60 degrees after a potentially frosty start Sunday morning. And then Monday, the warmest of the bunch. We're going to push 70 for the first time since late October. First front comes in on St. Patrick's Day, gets us down into the middle 40s. Right now, being conservative on the cold this time next week, we think lower 40s, could be a little colder. We'll call it rain for the time being. So again, make your plans for Sunday and Monday for sure.